Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is a long-awaited picture that I posted on Instagram that I never posted, but here we go. So we're gonna start with hydration and all that skincare stuff. I'm just really spraying the Mario, whatever his name is, spray on my face. Then we're gonna do the eyebrows. You know, this is an affordable look, so everything on here except for that spray. No, the spray isn't even affordable. Everything on here is affordable. Y'all, there was like a horn going off for a tornado, and I was really upset because it was interrupting my video. So just drink my water and mind my business. All right, let's go back. Okay, my eyes. We going to prep with the Morphe 10 Corn concealer palette. We're going for that yellow right there. I don't really prep my eyes with concealer, but for this one I did because I don't have any affordable eye primers, and this is an affordable palette. Then we're gonna set it because every time I set my eyes with concealer it creases, so this is helping me, baby. Then we're gonna Jaclyn Hill palette. I would say it's an affordable palette, if anything, because you get all those shades. But yeah, just blend, put whatever color I said in the crease. Gonna blend, and then we're gonna go in with this Sigma brush. Sigma brushes are affordable too, but if you can't get them, you know, Real Techniques brush just as well. Then we're gonna that color right there. I don't know what I pointed at, but you could barely see it on me, but it showed. You just can't really see it on camera because I don't know, you just really didn't. Then we're gonna go into my favorite transitions color, that one right there. We're gonna deepen it up because I didn't like how light it was. Next, we are going to spray that little shader blue brush that I had with this e.l.f. makeup mist and set. So, this color right here in the Galaxy Palace from BH Cosmetics shows up. It's really pretty in person when I did it. On camera, it just looks really bland, but whatever. I'm going in with my Milani foundation in my Real Techniques sponge, which has gone through some stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go my Milani foundation, this Real Techniques sponge. We're gonna dab all over my face, blah blah blah, blend it in. Yeah. And then we're gonna take this shade from my concealer to brighten up my face because I was looking really good. We're gonna take this brush. I don't know what that one is, but I got it in the Morphe thing. Then we're gonna contour. Really, I was bronzing, if anything, but you know, contour and bronzing, they kind of do the same thing. But this one had a little bit more warmth into it. Usually I use a cooler one. This one have warmth. So you say I'm bronzing, you know, get my foie. And we're gonna take this H&M makeup brush I got for $5. We're gonna take that transition shade. We're gonna put it on the lower lash line because that's my favorite transition shade. And this brush was cheap. I think this is my first makeup brush that I bought myself. Then we're gonna set my face. I don't bake because I got dry skin. Watching this really makes my skin crack. I don't know which one this is called by Makeup Revolution, but it's that highlighter. Then I got a Milani blush. Then we're gonna take a Morphe brush. I think I mixed it together. So that's usually what I do. I put blush and highlighter on at the same time. I don't know. And we're gonna take that Maybelline Big Shot mascara. We're gonna put it on the top and bottom lash. Then right here I'm doing an experiment where I take some of the Makeup Revolution highlighter, put it in my bottle of the makeup mist, and I shake it up and I spritz it all over my face. It actually worked, not as much as I wanted to. Then I put some more highlight on me because I love highlighter. It's really a thing that I'm never letting go. Then we take my lip liner Contempo, but first I gotta exfoliate my lips because they're really crusty. Wipe that off. It's a color. My lip pencil is ColourPop Contempo. How do I know? Because I use that all the time. Moisturize it back with some chapstick, and then we're gonna use my Fenty gloss. I gave you another option too that's cheaper, the Sephora lip glosser, but I use Fenty because that's my chick. And I'm gonna do my hair, put my earrings in, my mini holes in my ears. I got a lot. Need more. And yeah, that is it, you know. It's all affordable, I think. I don't really have that much expensive makeup. See you guys later. Follow me on Instagram.